John.
Huh?
Alpha.
I did brush.
I better sell toothbrush for me. I brush my teeth. Somehow quick for much.
Okay, no problem.
We dey do this thing, we no send them. Shorty, go, we are join them. See how I get them, no they twerk here. Body show, we are work here. Say na me and my crew be the men there.
I beg, change this toothbrush. I know like I take. Give me another one.
What happened to this toothbrush again?
You know good. Give me another one.
No, but you still come yesterday. I still change this toothbrush for you.
That yesterday on I use them for complete 10 hours. Jesus is Lord.
You see, you don't make your teeth white. Maybe that same toothbrush I should change for you. Now that brush they use to. Come, follow me. Brush, wait now. Wait.
Bros, that brush you do you know I use yesterday. 8 hours. The thing no work. I need to do one. See my teeth.
What? Emmanuel, are you telling me the truth? Apostle will hear of this. I hear me, by me. You will end up in McDonald's. You will end up in McDonald's. That's what I meant.